Why are they playing with y'all like that? I'm your favorite friend, Von Richie, and welcome home. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make rice water the correct way. Stay tuned. So the reason why I'm making this video is because I've been getting a lot of rice water videos on my feed, and I've been watching them just to like compare how they make rice water to how I make rice water. And I've seen a couple of things that I did not care for. Now, making rice water is not as simple as just making rice water. It is a scientific chemical thing. It's kind of the same as making kombucha or sauerkraut. It goes through a process called fermenting. It has to be fermented. It has to go through a process to extract the minerals and everything that's needed from out of the rice to create the product that we're looking for to keep our hair strong, healthy, and for it to grow. I'm going to go through the things as I show you how I make rice water. I've been making rice water for like 2.5 years now, and it's done me good, okay? So the first thing you're going to need, of course, is rice. You can use any type of rice that you have at home, but I would recommend brown rice or wild rice, and I would recommend that you get it organic. But if you don't have that, or if you don't feel like you want to go buy it, any rice that you have at home will do. But the reason why I say organic rice and brown rice or wild rice, because it just has more nutrients in it. And the organic rice does not have as many chemicals and stuff to wash off. The second thing you're going to need is a strainer. Why do you need the strainer? It's because you're going to have to wash the rice off first. So all you do is just take this joker with the rice in it and you put it underwater and you rinse it for a few minutes, swirl it around until you think you got everything off. The second most important thing that you need is a glass container. This is just a simple tea container that I bought, but it is glass. Now, I've seen a lot of people in their videos use plastic containers. I would not advise you use plastic containers because obviously glass and plastic are made out of two different types of materials, which means that it creates different types of environment for the fermenting process. And glass just creates a better environment for fermenting. When you buy kombucha, your kombucha don't come in a plastic bottle like your soda does. It comes in a glass bottle. Why? Because the glass creates a better environment for the kombucha to stay healthy, active, and alive. And plastic is just not going to do that. So I will highly advise you not to use plastic containers. Use glass. Use glass. You can get a glass like this, which is just tea, and I bought this from 7-Eleven, and I just saved the bottle. Or you can use like a mason jar or one of those jars with like the lids that you can close it and clamp it real tight, because it definitely has to be an air sealed container. No air should be getting into your rice water, period. The next thing you're going to need is orange peels, lemon peel, lime peel, grapefruit peel, or essential oil. And you're like, why do I need orange peels? Because it stinks. Rice water stinks. It stinks like hell. It smells like butt and feet married together. It stinks. So you need something that's going to cut the smell. And in my opinion, the orange peel, the lemon peel, the lime peel, the grapefruit peel does a better job at it, but the essential oil definitely does great. But you're just gonna need to add a lot to it. And then the last and final thing you're gonna need is just water. That's it. Some water. You can use tap water, that's what I use, or you can use distilled spring, whatever. Just some water. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your rice, right? That's been rinsed off, and you're gonna put it in the bottle. Once you do that, you're gonna take your lemon peel, orange peel, lime peel, grapefruit peel, or your essential oil, and you're gonna add that to the bottle. Add as much of it as you want. And then once that's done, you're gonna pour your water in, right? And then you're gonna put it into a dark space. I put mine into my kitchen cabinets and I just keep it closed. Now there's two different versions of rice water that you can make. You can make what I would call a light version, and then you can make a heavy duty version. So if you wanna make the light version, you're gonna keep it in your cabinet space or that dark space from anywhere from 6 to 12 hours. So you can make it before bed, and then when you get up in the morning, we're gonna stop the fermenting process, which I'll tell you in a minute how to stop the fermenting process. You can make it before work, and once you get home, you can stop the fermenting process. And it's that simple to make the light version. With the light version, even you can use it on a daily basis if you're the type of person who like wets your hair every single day. You still may need to dilute it just a little bit with a little bit more water, but I think it's safe enough to use on a daily basis because I was using it on a daily basis when I was doing it. Now, if you want to do the heavy duty version, is what I do now. You're going to go through the same process, put it in the cabinet, but you're going to leave it in from anywhere to 24 hours to 5 days. I typically leave it in for 2 to 4 days. Now with the heavy duty version, this is not something you're gonna wanna use every day. I wouldn't even advise you to dilute it with water to try to use it for every day. But this version gives you the most bang for your buck. It has the most nutrients in it. It's been through the fermenting process the longest. It's going to give you what you need. This is the version that I feel is the best, and I would advise you to use it on your shampooing days or on your deep condition days, and you're going to use it like as a pre-poo on your shampooing days, or you can mix it in with your conditioner like I do on my deep conditioning days. I said that you have to stop the fermenting process. Now this is another issue that I saw in other people's videos. Once they decided that they was, ready to use the rice water, they didn't stop the fermenting process. Why should we stop the fermenting process? The reason why we should stop it is because if we don't stop it, it's still cooking. Your rice water is still cooking, it's still doing what it's doing, it's not settled. So you're not going to get all the benefits. So in order to stop the fermenting process, what you have to do is take your bottle and sit it in your refrigerator from anywhere from a half hour to an hour. When it cools down, it stops the fermenting process. Once you're done, you should get something that looks like this. And this milky, you should get something that looks really milky and mercury. Okay, that's how you know. And then when you open it, it's gonna smell like butt. And that's also how you know that it's ready. Okay, and I know you're probably like, why is it only half empty? This is my second time making this video, y'all. This is my second time making this video, and that's why my hair is already has deep conditioner and rice water in it, because I failed the first video, the audio was horrible. And I'm tired of giving y'all videos with horrible audio, just like, I'm not doing that anymore. So, once you stop the fermenting process, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna take your spray bottle and you pour it in. And that's how you make rice water. It's that simple. Now, I'm gonna tell you how I use the rice water. On shampoo days, I put it in my head like an hour or two before I'm about to take my shower or shampoo my head, and I just let it sit in with a processing cap. I spray it in and I massage it all on my scalp, all over. It feels so good because it's going to be cold. Because you want to, and I forgot to mention this, once you're done, keep it in the refrigerator. Do not keep it out. Keep it in the refrigerator or in a cold place. And you can keep it, I would say, up to like 2 weeks. But if you smell it and it gets really funky, throw it away and start fresh. And you're gonna put it in your hair because it's nice and cold, and then like the heat from your scalp mix in, and it just feels so good. So that's what I do, and then I shampoo it out, and then I do my regular condition and everything like that. Now, if you're doing a deep condition day, what I do is what I'm doing now, is I saturate my hair with it, just like as much as can possibly get in there. And then I put my favorite deep conditioner on top of it. and I just let it sit for however long you let your deep condition sit, and you let it wash out. And then, you know, once you get out, you style your hair and you're good to go. It's a fairly simple process, child. It's already in my hair and I've been letting it sit. Like I said, this is my second time making this video, so it's been sitting for a while. Once I wash it out, I'll let you see what it looks like, and then we'll see what it looks like with everything styled in my hair. My hair definitely needs this because my hair has been going through it since the last time I bleached my roots. I was trying a new bleach, and that bleach in my hair does not mix, so I will never, ever, 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 ever use that bleach again. If you want me to make a video comparing the bleach that I'm used to using compared to the bleach that I just used, let me know, and I will definitely make that video for you guys. So I'll be back once I'm ready to wash this out of my hair. Hey everybody, I am back, and these are my results. My hair feels really good. Really, really good and soft, and the thing that I'm so happy about is that there was hardly no shedding, and that's been my problem since I used that last bleach. My hair's just been shedding like crazy, and I got a normal amount of shedding versus where I would get like clumps. It was ridiculous. I thought my hair was falling out, but it's doing good. I'm loving it, and to be honest with you, from now on, after I do my roots, I'm going to follow up immediately with a rice water treatment. It's everything that you need and more. But hold on a second. Okay, and I'm back, and these are the final results. Kinda, it's still a little wet. It could get more dry, but and I'm really excited. My hair is like, I feel like it's finally back to normal ever since that debacle with that dumbass bleach. But, you know, I'll get over it, child. My hair will get over it. Thumbs up, like this video, subscribe if you are liking what I am giving. I have a couple of more videos up my sleeve, and I will see you guys on the flip side. I want to give you some kind of life update about what's going on with me. Maybe I'll do that in the next couple of videos. I'm not sure. I will holler at you guys later. Until next time. Peace.